SoCal.
Good morning and welcome to another episode of Recast Fishing in SoCal. It's been a while, but today is 4th of July and this is our annual trip to the deep sea, and we are on the Sports King in LA Harbor, and we're gonna go for yellowtail and
Bonita.
Very good bonita fishing right now. So we're gonna have a very good fishing trip today, and unfortunately Moy couldn't make it today. He was supposed to be here, but he's gonna be missing out.
Car trouble.
Yeah, he has some car trouble. You'll hear about that later. So yeah, we'll see you out in the water. So here we go. Mackerel. Guys, closing, we did very good. I got myself bonita, tons and tons of calico bites, tons. I actually let some of my legal size go because you know how that goes on the online, on the forums, right? Yeah, you know how that goes. But you know, Greg kept some of his, everybody else kept some of theirs. And we kept it clean. We didn't go over limits, and a lot of yellowtail bites. We didn't catch any. We got a lot of hits though, for sure.
I caught a big stingray.
Big stingray. It was big. It was like close to 40 pounds from what everybody says. Didn't have it on film because he was on the opposite side of the boat. Nobody wants to do anything with it. So, but great day, fun. So, want to say something?
Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Yeah, happy 4th of July. And hope everyone has a great holiday too. So, see you guys on another episode of Recast Fishing in SoCal.